Pangliba Chenga the Honorable MLN lockdown gi awabasi urga piki bane.
State Cabinet decides to make all arrangements to bring back stranded Manipuris from other states except red zone districts. Government to bear train expenses of stranded people. No coronavirus case in Manipur, closure of markets and restriction of vehicular movement due to violation of social distancing norms and public failures to wear masks. Confirmed cases for COVID-19 in India cross 49,000. Death toll reaches 1,694 while 14,182 people have recovered so far. RIMS Outpatient Department OPD reopens today following strict social distancing norms. RIMS to provide 2 more mobile numbers for OPD registration. And Minister THOKCHOM Biswajit chairs coordination meeting to discuss on prevailing issues over alleged swindling of wages meant for MG NREGS job card holders. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Evening News. I'm IBETHOI THOKCHOM with the top stories and latest news at this hour. State Cabinet meeting chaired by Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren today decided to make all the necessary arrangements to bring stranded people of Manipur and to bear all the train expenses to reach till the northeast. Travel expenses for stranded people coming from other northeast states to reach Manipur will be borne by themselves. The decision, however, does not apply for red zone districts. The Cabinet also decided to shut down Ima Kaithel, Pauna Bazar, Thangal Bazar and all the other main markets in the valley as a preventive measure against COVID-19 and in consideration of the stranded citizens arriving from other states. Rural areas will be exempted from the shutdown as per considerations. The Cabinet also decided to provide 200 rupees each to those being quarantined at quarantine centers and to accept the NPA demands of the doctors as a special pay. Rumor is being spread that markets have been closed down and vehicular movement has been restricted due to possible existence of COVID-19 positive case in the state. On the contrary, closure of marketplaces and restriction of vehicular movement is due to violation of social distancing norms and failure to wear face masks by the public. State Health Department has also confirmed that there is no coronavirus positive case in the state. Meanwhile, 39 people were tested for COVID-19 at RIMS till 3 this afternoon and the test results came negative. Testing of 30 more samples is underway. 6 samples were also tested at GIMS and at Janims and 6 samples tested negative for COVID-19. Herbert School Imphal has begun online classes for students in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. Speaking to media, school principal K. Nabachandra said any students of any schools can join the classes by visiting the website of Herbert School. He encouraged students to join the online classes and also appealed to civil society organizations and authorities concerned to support the course.
Online class tauraga makoi si council gi amasing government gi policy amo ina makoi promotion provisionally promotion pire ne koi lauraga leiriba ngang sing asi makoi si engage tauraga ekoi na thamnawi damakta online class si ekoi chathabani online class si daida coverage piribasi sata changwa ga kun mangani 10 appear tawharga ekoi 11 ta promote tawrakaduri ba angang sing sig interest ta ekoi asisu amuk May tang mari dagi 2020 gi sidagi amuk makoi class hangdokre.
Ima Leishim Inat Loishang Wangkai Hizam Lekai has donated 50,000 rupees to Thongju Kendra Voluntary Workers COVID-19 Relief Fund. Officials of Nopok Chingu Thong Maitei Laikon Thalo CP Lok Sailoi Lamai Ching, a branch of Ima Leishim Inat Loishang under the initiative of Wangkai Pantho, handed over the amount to Thongju MLA cum Works Minister Thongam Biswajit. Rakesh Moirangthem's short film My Mom, based on coronavirus warriors, has bagged the International Audience Choice Award at the Infolk Unidos International Short Film Competition 2020, United States. The film, shot during the statewide COVID-19 lockdown, was also included in the official selection of Bardhaman Online Lockdown Short Film Festival 2020 and Lockdown Short Film Festival 2020, presented by Marlin Cinemas. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, confirmed COVID-19 cases in India have reached 49,391. Total active COVID-19 cases in the country have reached 33,514. Altogether, 1,694 patients have died and 14,182 people have recovered so far. Maharashtra is on the top list with 15,525 positive cases and 617 deaths. Gujarat is at second place and Delhi is at third place. Globally, USA is on top with 12,38,052 positive cases and 72,284 deaths. USA reported 419 fresh cases today. Spain is in the second place with 2,50,561 positive cases and 25,613 deaths, and Italy is in the third place with 2,13,013 confirmed cases and 29,315 deaths. Russia reported 10,559 new cases today, standing at 7th place with 1,65,929 positive cases. China, from where the virus started, is at 11th place with 82,883 positive cases and 4,633 deaths. China reported 2 new cases today. Coronavirus has infected 37,47,313 people. 2,58,962 people have succumbed to COVID-19 and 12,50,602 people have recovered so far. Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR has said that a total of 12,76,781 samples of COVID-19 have been tested by various government and private laboratories in the country so far. ICMR has approved COVID-19 testing at 321 government laboratories and 118 private laboratories till date. Mizoram Health Minister Dr. R. Lalthangiliana said that the last case of the single patient from the state came back COVID-19 negative. 4 consecutive tests were done on the patient last week at Joram Medical College, and the samples had also been sent to Silchar Medical College testing lab for further confirmation. The health minister said since the patient is still awake, he has not been released from the hospital. The patient living in Mizoram was found corona positive on March 24 after traveling back from the Netherlands. Telangana government has extended the lockdown till May 29. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao announced the same after a cabinet meeting in Hyderabad yesterday evening. He said the night curfew will also continue between 7 p.m. and 6 a.m. Only shops selling essential commodities will open in red zones. All shops will remain open in green and orange zones in villages and at block level. In municipal towns, 50% swabs will be allowed every day and they will be selected by way of lottery. Swabs will open between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. Telangana State Cabinet will review the situation on May 15 again. Ministry of Corporate Affairs has allowed companies to hold annual general meetings through video conference or other audio-visual means in the wake of COVID-19. It also allows the companies to send financial statements along with boards' reports, auditors' report and other documents required to be attached herewith only through email. The companies are also required to provide a window to the shareholders for registering their mandate for transferring dividends electronically to them through the electronic clearing service or any other means. The ministry has already allowed the companies whose financial year ended on 31st December last year to hold their AGM by 30th September this year. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on reopening of RIMS OPD. Keep watching Impact News.
Kudong Java Lobiho, Radiant E-Ride Amadi State Bank of India Punna Kusamnaraga, India Government Kimakada, Mudra Yojana Scheme Gi Kutangda, Tabak Panghoja Vasinda, Senda Lambi Atopa Mating Oinaba, Sadmiron Fagat Hanaba, Loinana, Loan Kudong Java Pizari, Ahan Bamuy Jamada, Akak Naba Matam Karagi Oina, Loan Pizagani, Akupa Marol Gidama, Radiant E-Ride Head Office, Sangai Pro, Ningtem Call, Amasung Branches, contact number 8257850421.
Miam Gidamang Nungaraba Pausel, Central Government Amasung Pandubi Housing Finance Company Limited, Etikibaraka National Housing Bank, not LSC, Oiduna Ahumnak MOU signed on Aduna, Radan Metri Awazos, na credit link subsidy scheme, Housing for All by 2022 Missing Makada Lupa Lakani, Lism Hupata Fauki, subsidy Yorba Home Loan, Kudong Chapas and Miam the Pituna Lakli, Home Construction, Home Extension, Home Renovation, Amasung non housing loan, at Timbaching Kudong Chapas and Miam Lobio, it's in Zariba Pandubi Housing Finance Company Limited, or Raman Uripukim. Bantoibi Green Homes की बुकिंग हो जरे इम्फाल इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट का नंगना नपाइक जरिबा रियल इस्टेट रेसिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट Bantoibi Green Homes समदि Bantoibi Serenity दा फ्लैट विला अमसुंग रो हाउस की बुकिंग हो जरे अकक नंबर मसिंग ओइबना अहानबा फ्लैट चामरे स्पेशल डिस्काउंट पिजरी बुकिंग की दमंग सिमा ऑफिस वार्डा लेंग बिरक नंबरिंग सिंग जरी Bantoibi Constructions Private Limited Assessor Company of Bantoibi Housing Finance Company Limited उड़ीपक्तोरा मुंबई का इम्फाल
UNACO School, Excellence in Education, Hongman Zone 3, Imphal East, Manipur. Provisional admission to Class 11 for the session 2020-21 has been started. Online classes will start from 1st of May 2020. Deciduous students or parents can contact school office from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. for enrollment. Please contact 7085410354 or 8131070337 or 9436849647. You can also mail us at info.kongman@unaco.school.in or info.unacoschool@gmail.com.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Evening News. RIMS Outpatient Department OPD reopened today following strict social distancing norms. However, people have complained that the 3 mobile numbers given by RIMS Authority for registering OPD appointment were always busy. Meanwhile, RIMS Authority has decided to add 2 more mobile numbers to ease OPD registration. Impact News came across people visiting RIMS washing their hands at 4 different hand wash points in the RIMS complex. Doctors and other staff of RIMS wore face shields and face masks, and 1 meter apart seating arrangement for the patients was maintained in the hospital.
Appointment si akoina pigiba akoina reserve toba masing dudi yaudra so akoigi praja singna khangdabadi gi oibani hena lauraga court artist akoina target tobadi lising mu lakadra haibagi preparation tobani ani marks upandagadi RIMS campus mung da sanghandaba haibisima ko enforce tawi thermal scanner camera scanner tawi aduga magi temperature body temperature akoi record tawi whereas yamna serious over patient casualty da oiragadi casualty da thajili hayeng di suti oire aduga hangsit irai appointment chi mobile number 7085406468 sina hanba number ni 6033849437 ahum super mobile number 6033855708 hai riba mobile ahum si pung baru dagina ahum bawa open taro laigani
appointment hala lauraga yengbiu haiba ge number ahum pijare phone number ado hairiba phone number singje ahumak number 1 gidi adu makchali adu anytime busy haire adu ani amadi sungchat chatabe engage hoina adum phange hairiba phone number ani sida phangdramina anabaji matau karamna layeng gadage patient singje haidi yam wanaraba tanja sida matau karamna doctor ga consult orga unarga anabaji layeng phado.
Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister THOKCHOM today chaired a coordination meeting to discuss on the prevailing issues of MGNREGS job card holders. During the meeting, several issues were raised, including formulation of stringent preventive checks and measures to avoid fraudulent withdrawals of daily wages. The minister instructed bank officials to issue bank passbook to the genuine beneficiaries of MGNREGS once the Gram Rochkar Sevaks complete verification process of the beneficiaries. It was also discussed that banks should see to it that micro ATM booths are open to every localities to ease hardships of the genuine card holders while withdrawing money during the present lockdown. Minister Biswajit also said that district program coordinators should ensure that all government protocols and guidelines are followed at the work sites. He further said that any misconduct or error found in the verification process during cross-checking would also invite stern action against the concerned GRS. MGNREGS job card holders can contact helpline number 180034533872 to raise their grievances. Additional Chief Secretary M.H. Khan, district program coordinators and bank officials of Valley district took part in the meeting. Manipur Cultural Integration Conference has condoled the untimely demise of former member of Manipur Cultural Integration Conference, senior architect L. Mangi, who passed away on May 5. District Administration Chandal and Integrated Child Development Services ICDS Cell Chandal launched ICDS CAS Common Application Software today. Smartphones were also distributed to the Anganwadi workers of 3 ICDS projects of Chandal, Chakpikarong and Kenjong at the event held at Jafo Village Community Hall in Chandal. Chandal DC Krishna Kumar, SDO Chandal Ritung Anal, DPO ICDS Ranjit Singh, CDPOS supervisors and Anganwadi workers attended the event. ICDS officials said the newly launched software will ease Anganwadi workers in carrying out registration procedure. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has blamed the Centre for Increasing Fuel Fees, calling the Centre's decision unfair. He said that the government's decision to increase the tax per litre amid the ongoing battle with coronavirus, which has caused severe economic hardship for millions, is unfair and should be withdrawn. Centre on Tuesday raised excise duty by ₹10 per litre on petrol and ₹13 per litre on diesel, which came into effect from today. As per the government notification issued of the ₹10 per litre increase in duty on petrol, ₹8 will be road and infrastructure sales, while ₹2 will account for special additional excise duty. Similarly, ₹13 per litre duty increase in diesel, ₹8 will be road and infrastructure sales, while ₹5 will account for special additional excise duty. The increase in excise comes in crude oil prices still remaining at relatively lower levels of $23.86 a barrel compared to peak level prices. Officials, however, said revenue generated from the duty increase shall be used for infrastructure and other developmental items of expenditure, and it will not lead to full price changes for retail customers. Government has announced further relaxations for filing of annual returns for goods and service tax and movement of goods in the country. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs (CBIC) has extended the time limit for furnishing of the annual return and GST audit for the financial year 2018-19 till 30 September 2020. Government has also given an extension till 31st May for all the e-way bills generated on or before the March 24th, whose validity were to expire between March 28 and April 15. This relaxation will allow seamless movement of goods and supplies through road transport carriers, ensuring availabilities of supplies across the country. Jingkai Ibudau Purilhanba Langdai Wayal Sintha Pung Ishika in a press release informed that Hiyang Hiren Kachaba ceremony will be held at Ibudau Purihanba Ishika at 7 a.m. on March 7. Now the sports news. The 14th Manipur State League is set to kick off this August. 17 teams from across the state will compete in the upcoming tournament organized by All Manipur Football Association AMFA under the sponsorship of THOKCHOM Joy Kisan. Speaking to media, AMFA General Secretary L. Jyotimoy Roy said that I-League players will not be allowed to play in the tournament. He also said that team members of participating football clubs should be registered under centralized registration system of All India Football Federation ahead of the tournament.
Handaki 14 Manipur State League sidadi League sida koigi I-League ki players sing amata yawba yararoi masi AMFA ki executive council na lepani maramdi hairiba I-League ki players sing che koigi state ki team chemada Santos Trophy represent tobusu yade even tiao represent toba yade sugumba si laibana koigi I-League State League di simultaneously matamamta da tobunina AMFA desu yamna awaba oi picture ki matangda aduna I-League ki team singsina magi second string amamam chemaga migi state su tongnaba adumaina handaki chahi dagi de 14 Manipur State League tadi I-League yawo player mata Manipur State League yawo yararoi haina AMFA ki executive council na lep khara All Manipur Football Association ge calendar gi matungina inter district transfer inter club transfer ki su koi mangjona na circular tawje khara inter district transfer ki na June ki tangma pandagi kunthra bhaune inter club ki na magi district ki inter club ki na June kundagi kunthra bhaune hojik transfer asidi perot All India gi koina AFM da matamamata da lepani June gi thasida ona handakti paperwork oina ahamba tawgani aduga numitare ni gi manungda akoina CRS through online da tawgani CRS tawgi matang sida club ki former club tagi no objection certificate darkar lai karigumba club na piu yadradi karimarum ki piu haibadu yadri no haidana AMFA da dargas tharga madu AMFA na AFF ki rule gi matungina online transfer du yahangani aduna hojik tawgadoriba Manipur State League tramari suwas Manipur State League amasung hanak haugadoriba AMFA cup sida player khujimak team singna mangjauna na CRS taunaba haiduna AMFA na district singda team singda mangjauna na circular tawjagra.
Before we end, let's take a look headlines once again. State Cabinet decides to make all arrangements to bring back stranded Manipuris from other states except red zone districts. Government to bear train expenses of stranded people. No coronavirus case in Manipur, closure of markets and restriction of vehicular movement due to violation of social distancing norms and public's failure to wear masks. Confirmed cases for COVID-19 in India cross 49,000, their toll reaches 1,694 while 14,182 people have recovered so far. RIMS Outpatient Department OPD reopens today following strict social distancing norms. RIMS to provide 2 more mobile numbers for OPD registration. And Minister Thongam Biswajit chairs coordination meeting to discuss on prevailing issues over alleged swindling of wages meant for MGNREGS job card holders. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Manung Hutna. For more news, you can also follow Impact TV on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Have a great evening.